Good morning. Do you see that cat? Her name is Mia. Right now, she is sitting outside. She loves to look at birds. So do I. Shall we go for a walk and see some birds? Before we start, let's look at some vocabulary words you might hear on our walk. Gravel, gravel. Chickens, chickens. Flock, flock. Hens, hens. Rooster, rooster. Flamingo, flamingo. Bird feeder, bird feeder. Finches, finches. House finch, house finch. Goldfinch, goldfinch. We are walking down a gravel path. There are trees on both sides of the path. Look ahead. Do you see them? Let's get closer. It's chickens. There are many chickens. When there are many chickens, it's called a flock of chickens. Most of these chickens are female. Female chickens are called hens. But we have one male chicken. A male chicken is called a rooster. Can you tell which one is the rooster? Isn't he beautiful? Now we are walking on a dirt path through the woods. There are trees on either side of the path. Look ahead. Do you see the pink? Let's get closer. Yes. Flamingos. We have a flock of flamingos. Okay, they aren't real. They are fake. But the real birds are pink too. Our last stop is at the bird feeder. Oh, look. A finch. This is a house finch, and this is a goldfinch. These are finches. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching until the end. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.